Santorini Slip-Ups, 7 hilarious mistakes to avoid. Santorini Slip-Ups, 7 hilarious mistakes to avoid. Attention all travelers visiting Santorini, Greece. Here's a list of things not to do if you want to avoid turning your dream vacation into a comedy of errors. 1. Don't try to reenact scenes from Mamma Mia with impromptu musical performances atop cliffs. The locals might appreciate your enthusiasm, but your rendition of a dancing queen might not be as appreciated during dinner time. 2. Avoid attempting to ride the donkeys up the steep paths after indulging in too much ouzo. Trust us, it's a recipe for a very bumpy ride and a potential headache, in more ways than one. 3. Please refrain from reenacting scenes from a 300 by attempting to kick people into the sea while shouting, "This is Sparta." It's not only historically inaccurate but also quite impolite. 4. Don't feed the seagulls your leftover gyros, unless you want to experience a real-life Hitchcockian scenario of being chased down the cobblestone streets by a flock of angry birds. 5. Resist the urge to dive headfirst into the sparkling blue waters from any precarious heights without first ensuring there are no yachts, kayaks, or unsuspecting sunbathers below. Safety first, folks. 6. Avoid mistaking the local delicacy, Fava, for guacamole. Despite the similarities in appearance, confusing the two might lead to some awkward culinary experiences and puzzled looks from the restaurant staff. 7. Don't attempt to sneak into a wedding photoshoot to photobomb the happy couple with your best Zorba the Greek impression. It might seem hilarious at the moment, but you'll likely end up being chased away by an angry Greek grandmother wielding a wooden spoon. Remember, while Santorini is a place for fun and adventure, it's essential to respect the local customs, traditions, and safety regulations. Now go forth and enjoy your Santorini escapades, but please, try to keep the comedy to a minimum. We are committed to producing videos and vlogs that cater to your interests. If you are looking for the blog or PDF associated with this video, please let us know in the comments below. Please forward this to a friend who might enjoy it. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Please let us know what kind of resources you are looking for. Our resources, specifically crafted for the growth of solo entrepreneurial ventures, can help you achieve similar success if you aim to develop your solopreneurship. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. newbeginning.com/affiliate program. Our course package that proved $4,000 revenue in a week is now available. As a PLR with MRR rights, master resell rights to you at 90% off for you to grab and start making money immediately. Explore our latest e-course, New Beginning MRR Success, alongside our membership, the New Beginning Success Tribe, designed to equip solopreneurs with comprehensive resources. For achieving success, inform us of your preferences, and we'll make dedicated efforts to create the resources you're looking for. Connect with us at WeCare@newbeginning.com. Thank you, and may you be blessed abundantly.